My name is Boots and this is Cyborg Team. Today we got another keyboard. This is a LTC Nimbleback. It's a 65% board, USB interface. Now it has a detachable cable. That's awesome. N key rollover. It has RGB backlighting. It has a little USB hub. So it has the USB-C port where you'll plug in your keyboard to your computer. It also has two full-size USB-A ports, USB 2.0. 60-gram weight. Let's just open it up, see what we got. Nice simple box, LTC Nimbleback. Open it up. We are greeted with the keyboard. There's a user manual there. Let's put that to the side for a second. Let's find the goodies. And right there, we got the tactile browns with a switch puller. Got a wired keycap puller. It's a nice touch. And this is your detachable USB-C cable to USB-A. Nothing special here. It's just a rubberized cable. And that's about it. Onto the keyboard. Just let it tumble out of the bag there. All right. User manual. Nice and thin and slim. Nice graphics in here, actually. Okay. Tells you how to put some macros in there. Awesome. Put that to the side. And here's the keyboard itself. Now, on the back, it has, well, there's your USB hub. There's your USB-A, two of them. Two of your USB-As and a USB-C. On the bottom here, you got kick-up feet. That is awesome. If you don't use the kick-up feet, they got 4 rubberized stoppers there. And looks like a little cutout. There must be a wireless version of this keyboard, which I'll try to find and get that in here. But I guess that's where the dongle would go. So let's have my kick-up feet on at the bottom here, or in the front, I should say, or the back. Nimbleback, and not too intrusive. Big letters, but not too bad. Nothing on the sides. That's about it. Let's plug it in, see what we got. There's the backlight, as you can see, scrolling through the RGB. Let's see how we change the lighting effects. Looks like it's function and backslash. Absolutely. So you got a couple different effects here. Typical stuff. Not very bright. Let me see if I can get a little bit brighter. It's as bright as it gets. Just fine. So it's just cycling through there real quick. Got some ABS keycaps. They have a nice texture on them. Nice legends. It's not gamery. The last few keyboards I had in were pretty gamery. Here's your indicator lights. There's your caps lock. That's on and off. You can put this in Mac mode. You would hold function and S, and that'll put you in Mac mode if you're a Mac guy. Or you can go to Windows by function and hit A. This little cog wheel here, that light is if you hit function and comma here, you'll go into programming mode, and that's where you'll program your macros. And this is your Windows lock. So if you want to lock Windows, if you're in a game, you don't want to hit that Windows button, function, Windows. And now if I hit the Windows key, my Windows menu does not pop up. Awesome. So we'll turn that back off. All right, let's pop off one of these keycaps. Make sure that they gave us a Hotswappable version. And looks like the switch popped off with the keycap here. And these are Huano brand switches. And they are 3-pin. But if you look in here, it looks like this will take 5-pin if you wanted to switch out these switches. Not too bad of a device. I love the way this actually looks. I can do without the Nimbleback right there, but hey, it's there. 65% laid out. It's a little bit of a exploded layout because we got some separation of your little keys here. Dedicated arrows, awesome. Let's see how it sounds in a quick typing test. Pretty smooth typing experience there. It's pretty quiet. I'm not sure, maybe I'm just used to hearing the clicky blue switches, but these switches in here, these Wano tactile browns, there's a slight tactility. It's not a heavy bump. It's not too light either. It feels just right, so not too bad. Keycaps feel pretty good. Man, that's about it. The RGB is not too obstructive. It's like the right amount of bright. Detachable cable on the back. Let's plug in something here to make sure that actually works. So got a USB-A cable here. Let's plug in, what do I got? Look at that, another keyboard. Let's see if it'll run another keyboard. Look at that. Alrighty, so there I got 2 keyboards on deck. Let's see, will it type? Hold on, let me see if it'll actually type. Oh my goodness. And it's working. Alrighty, so that's a nice spacing in there. So you'll definitely be able to fit your USB cable in here for the keyboard and 2 USB-As to whatever you want to do. This keyboard was about 55 bucks on Amazon, shipped. I'll have a link in the description. But if you have any other questions, just hit me up in the comments. I highly recommend this one. This is probably going to be my, I'm going to incorporate this into my daily drivers. So I really like this layout. I'm going to look for more keyboards like this. Definitely going to look for the wireless version. See how good that works. Definitely. But if you have any questions, hit me in the comments. Hit like, hit subscribe. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'm out. Peace.